Here's an interesting one. Why are the details of my offering not showing when people are signing up for it? So, for an example, if I look at my 30-minute chat with Morgan, I have in the description a blurb and some more text. Now, I just wanted to put this image in here to actually demonstrate that you can put images, videos, all that stuff in the description of the offering. This isn't actually a description, of course. But when I take a look at this actual offering, I don't see Meet with Morgan for 30 minutes. Let's go ahead and preview it. So here we are, and I don't see that description. I don't see any of that, that image or anything like that here. Why? Well, if I go back over to the offering, in the descriptions area, this note is the important piece here. These descriptions only appear when this offering is part of a collection. And this is a little clicky link that will show you what is a collection and how do you set them up. So what I'll do instead, and this is kind of a trick for when you only have one offering that you want to show the description for. I'll go to collections and make a new collection. And I'll call it the same thing as what the offering is called. So 30-minute chat with Morgan. And I'll add the offering called 30-minute chat with Morgan and save. And now when I preview this collection, I now see the about information, and then the client clicks on proceed to register. So if I were to put this in my website, I would use the embed code for the collection instead of for the offering. And that is how you get that detail to show when you are using an offering. Create a collection.